Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. Here are its features. Cleans up after you, and itself. Forget about vacuuming for months at a time with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that allows the i7 Plus to empty itself for up to 60 days. Powerful performance. 10x the power lifting suction and dual multi-surface rubber brushes that pull in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. Guided by serious smarts. Intelligently maps and cleans an entire level of your home. With vSLAM navigation, i7 Plus maps your home to navigate in neat, efficient rows. New app, new level of clean. From customizable routines to customizable maps, complete control is in your hands. Personalized cleaning suggestions help you stay ahead of messes. Vacuum messes in the moment. Cereal on the floor? Cat knocks over a potted plant? The i7 Plus can target specific areas within your rooms, like in front of the couch or under a table. A clean unique to you. Learns from your cleaning habits to offer up customized schedules. Suggests extra cleanings when pollen count is high or during pet shedding season. Complete control of your clean. With Imprint Smart Mapping, your robot knows your kitchen from your living room, so you can decide where it cleans and when. Steer clear of objects. You can tell your robot to stay away from certain areas or objects with customizable keep-out zones. Ideal for homes with pets. Unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair. High-efficiency filter traps 99% of cat and dog dander allergens. The dream team of clean. With Imprint Link technology, the Roomba i7 Plus robot vacuum and Brava Jet M6 robot mop team up to vacuum then mop automatically in perfect sequence. Clean without lifting a finger. Through the iRobot Home app or your Google or Alexa voice assistant, simply tell your robot when and where you want it to clean and consider it done. Take out the dirty work. Clean Base automatic dirt disposal holds 60 days of dirt, dust, and debris, always getting smarter. Equipped with advanced hardware capable of providing the intelligent features you love today, and access to our latest advancements in the future. Smart Charge and Resume. Patented Smart Charge and Resume enables your robot to intelligently recharge for the amount of time needed to continue cleaning and get the job done. Carpets are no match for the Roomba robot vacuum. The auto-adjust cleaning head automatically adapts its height to keep the multi-surface brushes in close contact with different floor surfaces, to effectively clean carpets and hard floors. Dirt Detect technology. Patented Dirt Detect technology recognizes concentrated areas of dirt, like high traffic area, and provides additional cleaning in those spots. Your privacy is our priority. For 30 years, customers have trusted iRobot products to take care of their homes. Today, that trust matters more than ever, as we use the highest standards of data encryption to make sure your data stays private and secure. Protect your investment. iRobot does not certify the quality or authenticity of products purchased from non-authorized resellers on Amazon, and will not cover claims, provide service or offer replacements for products purchased from these sellers. Specifications. Brand: iRobot. Color: black. Surface recommendation: carpets, hard floors. Controller type: Vera, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa. Battery cell composition: lithium-ion. Box weight: 26.5 pounds. Robot weight: 7.44 pounds. Robot dimensions: 13.34 inches width by 3.63 inches high. What's in the box? iRobot Roomba i7 Plus robot vacuum and 2 allergen lock dirt disposal bags. 1 clean base automatic dirt disposal. 5 allergen lock dirt disposal bags. 1 North American line cord. 1 extra high efficiency filter. 1 extra side brush.